Okay, here is my alarm control center, and I made this out of an old utility box we had laying around the yard, and a piece of stainless steel that was remnants left over from a job somewhere else. I was able to lay that out, cut it out, and make a face for it. It's basically a box with a switch on it, and right here you can see this 110 cord plugs in, 110 volt operation. This here is the alarm switch lead. I'll show you how those are going to tie into a switch that is normally closed. So the switch will be depressed against the door, and when the door is open, the switch will close the circuit and trip the alarm. Then even if the door is closed afterwards, because of the relay inside of this unit here, the buzzer will continue to sound until this little red button right here, the reset button, is pressed. I'll open it up and show you what it looks like. Okay, here we are back again. Now we have the alarm panel open. See, this is the back side of the switch. This is the front plate. It looks something like a bomb from a cheap B movie. Here we have very simple doorbell. This is the AC adapter that runs the doorbell that will ring constantly when the alarm is tripped. It is controlled by this relay, which I bought at Radio Shack, and that shuts off the power between the transformer and the bell. The transformer itself, and of course the low voltage transformer, the direct current transformer that runs the relay, they're both powered from high voltage, 110 volt house current, which is all housed within this metal box, grounded and isolated from the low voltage control circuits. So, it's all built to code, more or less. Basically, all that happens here, this relay is non-powered. When the alarm sensor is tripped, it closes the circuit. Most alarms now use normally open. This here will actually close the circuit, trip the alarm, and that alarm will go off until the reset button is depressed, and I'll show you how that works in just a minute here. Alright, and here we are. Of course, right now I just have two bare leads. This is low voltage, merely 12 volts, 500 milliamps, so it's like very low voltage, very safe. You'll see when that circuit is closed, that bell rings. You depress the button, reset. So even, you can see the terminals are open. Even if the door was closed back, that ringer will still sound until somebody gets up. Now this unit is proposed to be used with or for an elderly person. So to let you know, a little more positive than a baby monitor. Will let you know when their door is opened, and if you have an old elderly person that has a tendency to wander around and can get themselves lost or in some kind of trouble, this will wake you up from a deep slumber, and you can go take care of them and make sure they're in bed for the rest of the night.